excited to share something I have been working hard on. My student grievance redressal system, built with Monstack, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Now we all know how frustrating it can be when students raise complaints and they just vanish. No updates, no responses, no transparency. So this project is my take on solving that problem, giving both students and administration a smooth, secure way to submit, track, and resolve grievances all in one place. Now let's dive into this and how it works. So basically, we are providing secure login sign up with GWT, and students can submit complaints and track their status. Admins can view, manage, and resolve those complaints. Automatic email notifications to the administration staff, role-based access, so admins and students see only what they should. It's a clean, responsive, and built for real-world deployment app. Now let us see the code. So here is the code. So the code is basically divided into front end, which we have created with it, React, and backend server with JavaScript. I have structured the app with React router to handle different pages, login, sign up, dashboards, and admin panel. So let's start the project. So now we are starting the front end part. So it's open at localhost 5137 port. Now we will also start the server. So the server is currently working on the port 7000 and database is connected. So we have used MongoDB cloud database. So it can be fetched from information across the globe. Now, if a student lands on the personal dashboard, he can submit a complaint and view previous complaints also. Now, first we will sign up as a user. So here's my roll number. Then we have to type the password, sign up. So it's saying the user is already. So now we are logging into the login page after signing up as 227R1A66D6. So the thing is here it checks the domain of CMRTC ac.in. The password should be at least 8 letters. Now we can log in. So at first we don't have any complaints filed. So we will file a new complaint. So here is the complaint box. So first we will write the title for the complaint. So what is the issue we are facing in our student life? Study group. So in library we don't have a separate space for study groups. After typing the description of the complaint, we will submit the complaint. So here it's showing pending and it's showing the date of creation and the department. Now we will log in as the admin. The admin credentials are after login as the admin, we will see the admin dashboard. Here it will show the total number of complaints, resolved complaints, pending complaints, and resolution rate of the system. Now it will classify the complaints by department like exams, hostel, other results, and library. So this was the first complaint that we filed when we created this application. That was on dated on 13th of Feb 2025. After that, we have complained few more complaints. So it shows The admin has the access to resolve, delete, and mark as resolved. So if anyone complains, unnecessary complaints, then he can directly delete it. So now we will look at our complaint that we have recently filed. So this is the complaint of the study group that we don't have a separate space for study group. Now we will mark it as resolved and we will take the action that we have provided. Uh, it will be created soon in library by management. So this is the action taken by the management. So it here you can see it's updated into resolved. Now we will look like it's updated on the student dashboard also. Now we will log in back. So here you can see that the study group complaint that was filed on 25th April 2025 has been resolved and the action response is generated here that was taken by the management. Now we will look at the additional features that we have added to our system. So in admin dashboard, we have added the analysis of the complaints that were filed. So here you can easily download the report. The report will be generated in a CSV format, which you can open in any Excel reader. So here is the classification of all the complaints into title, description, department status, and date of creation and user. With this, you can easily analyze the reports. Now let us look at the core section. So basically we have used front-end using React.js and back-end using Node.js and Express connected to Mongo database. In this, we have created a sign-up page, submit a complaint, and log in as an admin. This project was more than an assignment. It was a deep dive, full stack development, real world problem solving, and clean UI UX design web-based application. These traps are demo of my student grievance redressal system. We are proud of how far we have come, and this is just a beginning. Thank you for watching and wish me luck.